Hi everyone, I'm Shalu here today and welcome back to on my YouTube channel. So friends, I hope all are you doing good and great in your life. So today topic is how I start spoken English. So I when I was doing my inter and high school, that time I'm not too much good in English because I am UP body student, and guys, it is difficult for UP body student because there are not too much good English teacher and facility available for us. That's why we are not able to understand or speak English. So till the time I was nil in spoken English. After when I'm going for preparing NEET, that time I realized that without English I cannot do anything, because nowadays if you don't know English, then it is very difficult to make your own world, because English everyone, mostly every professional place, every professional people know, and every state you not found Hindi. That's why English is very important for us. After I realized that, after that I start to practicing English, and and when I started, that time I'm nil. I don't know anything about English, but I start to speak English, and this journey start actually in 2022. I one my friend suggests me to join any online classes, like one free of cost English class going on. That time I request my friend, so then she said to her teacher, and he gave me permission, and after that I continue this journey till this year, and now I'm able to speak English. I'm not too much good English because good in English, because sometimes I'm doing little bit practice and sometimes I ignore this. That's why I'm not too much good, but I'm trying to give my best in this speaking part. And this class helped me a lot, because here I found environment to speak English, and there are many students who are want to learn English language, and these people also help me to improve myself, and I'm also listening everyone very carefully, and if I found something new, then that time I try to write down the sentences. And this technique is also very helpful for me, and I also give thanks to my teacher who helped me a lot to improve my English. So aside all the things, I also watch English movies and English cartoon stories video. This thing is also very helpful for my spoken part, and here I also found some new things. That time I also try to write down this thing. So conclusion is that if you want to learn, then just focus and try to give time on daily basis. Try to daily practice for English. Speaking part is also important on daily basis, and try to watch English movie or English cartoon videos. This is also very helpful, because cartoon, if you watch cartoon videos, in cartoon videos, if you found that they are using tenses, and they also used grammar part. This video help you to improve your grammar part and your spoken part both. Okay, then you can try this one, and just try to practice on daily basis. Don't think about it like I'm speaking right or wrong. Yeah, in starting it is very genuine. You can making mistake a lot, but you can learn a lot by your mistake, so it is not a big problem. Just try to speak. Okay, so I think it is enough for today video. Bye bye everyone. I will meet you in next video.